Hi guys, how are you? Hope you are fine. Today I'm gonna show you how to bypass iPhone 8 on disable mode. So without wasting time, let's begin. First of all, switch off the phone and put into the recovery mode for check iOS version. Yes, this is the iOS recovery mode. As you can see, this phone having version 16.7.2, and the method I'm going to show you is support iOS 16.7.10. The same process is for all the versions. Now put the device into the DFU mode. Yeah. Open unlock tool and go to into the Apple tab, then Ramdisk, then select the Ramdisk, this one, then click on PWF, PW and DFU, then on the U tool 1, and that file that for the Ramdisk I will give the link in description. You can download from there. The process is started. Sometimes this first step it's take time in some computers, maybe because of RAM or low CPU GPU. So don't be panic. Just wait and watch. It will be complete. If you error, so put again into the DFU mode, then start again. Even in my computer, it's taking time. Yes, done. Now click on boot RAM disk. Do not miss any step. Just watch till end, step by step. Now the 3 tool will pop up, so I just need to minimize it. Mhm. Yeah, you can minimize it. Now click on backup passcode. This is we are making the backup passcode of your iPhone. Now click on the factory reset. Now the phone will be reset. We already have made the backup. So after that we just need to restore that backup. This is the process you can bypass with the signal. After that, when you complete this bypass, you can use also the SIM card, iCloud, Wi-Fi. Everything will be it will be work like a normal phone. Even you can watch also on my YouTube channel. I'll give the link in description for the playlist of my iPhones. You can also watch other videos about iPhones, iPhone 7, 6, 8, X, with signal, without signal. You can watch those videos. They will help you. Here you can see this iPhone is factory setting. Activation is no, and Apple ID unknown. iCloud, it's not okay. So when we restore that backup, they will show here. It will show here iCloud off, Apple ID lock off. Activation will be yes. So let's wait for switch it on. Yeah, yes, now on. Let me show you. Here you can see there's no option for next. Now go back and switch off the phone and put into the TFU mode again. Yeah, now device is in TFU mode. Now click on again PW and DFU now and the U tool 1. I did add my voice because some of the peoples were asking in the comment section, why don't you add your voice so we can learn more perfectly. So that's why I'm using my voice. If you can hear the voice, you can hear. If you don't want to hear, you can. I already add the pop-ups like you can see. Now click on the boot Ramdisk. They can help you like you see. Let it complete. Then the U tool again will pop up. Then you must again minimize it. Yeah, minimize this tool. Now click on the restore backup. The backup we make before. Now we have to restore that backup again into the iPhone. Now finished. That's it. Now phone will be switched on. Then you can just activate that phone. And I will show you the network also. And just activate your iPhone. Now you can see there activated, yes, and Apple ID log off, iCloud log off, and you can also see the next option. Now you can see your iPhone 8 is bypassed successfully on iOS version 16.7.10. Now let me put the SIM card and show you the network. You can use any SIM card now. It's searching. Yeah, there's network. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and follow for more videos.